He's got a French fry in his mouth. He had it lengthwise standing up in his mouth. Chew it up and then say hi.
Hi.
Hi. You tell Grammy hi again. Say hi.
Hi. Peyton. I love you. I love you.
I love you.
Say I love you. Just don't push the end button.
Hi. Say hi, Grammy. We love you. Say
Hi.
hi.
Yeah.
Hi. You just move.
you.
Don't push that button. That one's okay. He's playing you a song.
Thank you, Princess.
Yeah.
He's telling you about
Peyton, what's the gun do?
Did you hear
I
him?
can hear. What's the gun do?
Peyton.
Oh. Sorry, we're back. He did touch the talk button, but we flashed back.
Tell Grammy, what's a gun do?
What's the gun do?
Louder.
Ow. Oh, the boot must
The
be
boot
hurt.
hurting?
Must have been cutting into his leg.
Peyton.
What's the gun do?
No, he won't. Peyton, what's a four-wheeler do?
What's the four-wheeler do? Did you hear him, Grammy? You want the phone? Hey, Peyton. What's the gun do?
Peyton.
What's the gun do? Don't
Quit pushing buttons.
Grammy? What are you doing?
Okay, say bye.
Say bye, Grammy.
Tell the camera bye, because Mommy's running out of room.
Hey, real fast, tell her what the tiger do. What's the tiger do? Huh.
He knows he's on camera.
Yeah.
Quit faking. Hey.
Oh, he's being a bugger.
Peyton.
What's the gun do?
So, Princess,
Yeah.
what are you doing now?
I'm not this year.